Oh yeah.
So, F40PH, I guess?
That's what it do be sounding like. November 6th. It's probably still 19, 20 degrees right now. Unbelievable. Celsius. I see you.
He should blow his horn for us. Or at least for the crackheads over there. Oh, look at that. It's got the Poppy.
Oh, it's got the Poppy.
I'm going to run this on like November 11th. I've been looking for a train with a Poppy on it.
Yeah, it's too hardcore fan.
Because I know Via puts Poppies on their equipment around November 11th.
My winter coat.
Yeah?
Oh, I think there's another train coming, dude.
Oh, that's cool.
Am I right? No.
That would be cool if that's the case.
Oh, no, sorry. Oh, there's a freaking guy right there, I think.